Hi, welcome to the channel where I post challenging math problem video daily. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So without further delay, let's start. Today my voice may not be able to sound smooth, so bear with me. So today we have a problem based on the log. Okay, so this expression is given log base x in bracket 9 minus x square under root minus x minus 1 is greater or equal to 1. So you have to find the value of this domain of this function. Okay, so what we can do is we can write this function, and 1 can be written as this. Okay, now this, if we take the anti-log of this on the both sides, so we have first is this one, if mod x is greater or equal to 1, and second is less than x when mod x is lies between 0 and 1. Okay, now we will solve the first expression. So this is 9 minus x square minus x minus 1 is greater or equal to mod x. Now if we open this mod x, we get mod x as x and mod x as minus x for if mod x is greater than 0, and second is when mod x is less than 0. Okay, well, less actually not greater than 0, less than 0, it is greater than 1, because our initial condition is mod x is greater than 1, and our second condition is mod x is less than 1. Okay. This is x. Okay, now say this is 9 minus x square minus x minus 1, and this is 9 minus x square minus x. So we solve the first expression as uh, we take x that side, so we get this is 2x plus 1 and make it square, so we get 9 minus x square is greater or equal to 2x plus 1 whole square. So we get a quadratic in terms of x. Okay, so 9 minus x square is greater or equal to 4x square plus 4x plus 1. So we have 5x square plus 4x, and this is minus 8. Okay, now this is less or equal to 0. We take the complete left hand side to that right hand side, so we get this quadratic equation. Now x equal to minus b plus or minus b square. B square means 16 minus 4ac. So 4ac means 160. Okay, and this is 10. So we get x as, so taking 16 out, so we get this is 1 and 10 means root 11, and this is 10. So this thing will get cancelled. So we get x as minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 11 by 5. Okay, so this is the first expression. Now for the second expression, so we can write here that 9 minus x square minus x minus 1 is greater or equal to minus x, so minus x get cancelled, so 1, and this is 9 minus x square, so make it square, so we get this. So we can write x square to that side, and this is less or equal to 8. So x lies between root 8 means 2 root 2 and minus 2. Okay, now here x if we plot this in our number line, so we get this is minus 2 root 11 by 5, and this is minus 2 by 5. Okay, well, what we can do is we can simplify uh, this as root 11 minus 1. Okay, and we can write this as 2 by 5 root 11 plus 1 and minus. Okay, uh, now this is less than 0, so less than 0 means our expression is lying between this. Okay, now what we can write is as initially it is x is greater than 1. Okay, so for the first condition x is greater than 1, 1 is uh, beyond this point. Okay, so from this equation we get x as zero solution. A zero solution means no solution. Okay, so we get x as no solution. Okay, now for this second expression, if we plot this, so minus 2 root 2 here, 2 root 2 and 1 should be lies between in here, so we have this position, and our second position is it is less than minus 1. Okay, okay, what we can write say this is less than minus 1. Okay, so this is less than minus 1 means this position, so we get x here as minus 2 root 2, and minus 2 root 2 is inclusive. Okay, comma minus 1. Okay, so this is the uh, first solution from this first expression when it is greater than mod x. Now for similarly for the next solution, so what we can write is we just writing once again, so 9 minus x square minus x minus 1, and it is less or equal to mod x. Now if we open this again, so first is when mod x is this mod x is lies between 0 and 1. Okay, this mod x is lies between 0 and 1, so if we open this, say mod x is positive means it is lies between 0 and 1. Okay, and second is when mod x is negative. Mod x is negative means it is lies between minus 1 and 0. Okay. Now so again we have two expression, so we solve individually. So first one is we take this one and taking to that side, so we can write 2x plus 1, and this is minus 9 minus x square. So if we again solve, we get the same expression as previous one. Okay, okay, so what we get here as x as the same expression we get, so only the sign will change, so we can write this expression as 5x square plus 4x minus 8, and this is greater or equal to 0. Okay, now if we solve the x will get as same minus 2 plus minus 2 root 11 by 5. So if we plot this in the number line, so this is minus 2 by 5 root 11 plus 1, and this is 2 by 5 root 11 minus 1. Okay, now our x is in between 0 and 1. So here this is 0 and 1 is here. Okay, so now just a minute, we write x. So x is greater than 2 by 5 root 11 minus 1, and x is less or equal to minus 2 by 5 root 11 plus 1. So our this expression is going to that side, this expression is going to this side, and our initial condition is in between 0 and 1. Okay, so our this from this we get a solution as 2 by 5 root 11 minus 1 to 1. Okay, now we come to the second part. Second part means this expression, so we can write as 9 minus x square minus x minus 1 is less or equal to minus x. So this will get cancelled and the same thing will happen. So 9 minus x square can be write as 1. So x square is greater or equal to 2 root 2. So x is either greater than 2 root 2 or x is less or equal to minus 2 root 2. Okay, so if we again plot this, so this is minus 2 root 2 and minus sorry plus 2 root 2. Okay, so our expression is x lies above that point 2 root 2, and uh, here is towards the left side of minus 2 root 2, and this our initial expression is minus 1 2 0. So 0 is lying here and 1 is lying here, so we have to check. So we get here we have no solution. So from this region we get x as no solution. Okay, so the total final domain is we get a solution from this when x is lying between minus 2 root 2 to minus 1, and second is from this. So the final solution is x belongs to uh, okay, x belongs to, we can write as minus 2 root 2 to minus 1, and second is from 2 root 5 to root 11 minus 1 to 1. Okay, and this is inclusive. Okay, so this is all for today. See you tomorrow.